So we kind of set the smoke alarms off. I think you can close it now. How are your eggs burning, girl? Not again. Open the door.
Every time I gotta open the door, my egg burns.
Do you want the place to catch a flood? Damn. Just keep it open.
I give up on eggs. I'm not cooking. My eggs burn. It's toast, bro.
Okay, where's your plate? What the hell is that? Okay, I'll turn this thing off.
Can I close the door?
I'll stick with the microwave. No. Please don't pop me with your grease. I like the sound. Can't touch this. Oh, I was gonna eat those hash browns. I forgot to take the hash browns out of it.
Can I close the door now?
Bye.